Hello, this is Eric at Print Short Ford, and we're taking a look at the newly redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 in a Lariat trim and powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, coming in the new space white color and looking very sleek on the outside. It's new inside and out. Comes with running boards down below, and looking at the back, we do also have a power tailgate, which with 2 presses it opens up. And looking at the new tailgate as well, where you have a rugged work surface with measurements and plenty of other features, as well as some holes for your clamps, and Pro Power Onboard here in the side of the box so you can power all of your tools and what else. And then it does go back up as well. But let's take a look inside. And first looking in the back of the truck, where you have seating for 3 with a nice full leather interior. And in the middle you have fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, as well as having 2 more in the middle here, with a 12-volt power outlet, USB and USB-C, 120-volt power outlet, and heated rear seats so your back passengers can stay comfortable and cozy. The seats can, of course, always be folded up to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And moving on to the front. And this truck does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. Looking in the front, where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, fully power adjustable driver seat, steering wheel, and pedals, and then you have 3 memory buttons for your driver seat, steering wheel, pedals, and mirrors. And now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, which is fully digital. You can look at things such as your trip 1 and 2 information. This is actually your My View, which is sort of a favorite screen for any subcategories for ease of access. But then you have your trip and fuel, so you have your fuel economy, trip 1, 2, eco behavior, auto start stop status, so when your vehicle is sitting idle, the engine will shut off to cut down on emissions and save you some fuel, driver assistance, and fuel economy again. But then you can also go out and into your truck info, such as tire pressures, off-road status, power distribution, engine info, and seat belts and driver assistance. And then you can also look at your towing status and information, your navigation controls, phone controls, audio controls, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. But then moving on to the left side, where you have your cruise control with distance pacing technology and lane keeping system. Then you have your hands-free phone and radio controls along the underside of the controls. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is massive and is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth. So you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to, however you want to listen to it. Then you have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels. Your vehicle settings for a bunch of the features around your vehicle in general, as well as any apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and your truck features in general, such as driver assistance features, your Pro Power Onboard, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. Do also have a side view, which can be cycled to whatever screen you want. Say if you're following a route on your navigation, but you want to keep an eye on your music station, you can cycle through which information is displayed over here too. Then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with a full 360 view, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch views, so you can zoom in and hopefully have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. Then above your screen you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view again giving you the front look, and your hazards traction control shut off. And then you do also have a B&O audio system in this vehicle, so your music's gonna sound pretty decent. Moving to the left of your screen, you have your Pro Trailer Backup Controller, Trailer Brake Controller, and 4x4 controls with 4 auto and a locking rear differential. And then you have your drive mode selector for normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, mud, ruts, and then on the other side you have tow haul, eco, and sport modes, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. But then moving on to the right, where you have this button to open this compartment above your glove box for more storage, as well as a 12-volt and 120-volt power outlet. Then you have your media controls and climate controls here with dual front climate, heated and air-conditioned front seats, and even a heated steering wheel so you can stay cozy or cool depending on the weather or climate. Then you have this compartment with another USB and USB-C, as well as this little holder for your phone while it's charging or whatever you want to do with that. Then you have 2 cup holders, cubby, and your main shifter with select shift on the side so you can manually shift through your gears. And it can also fold flat so that you can fold out your little table here if you want to eat in your truck or do some paperwork. It is there, very convenient. And then it just comes right back up. And then looking back, you have a power sliding rear window, and last but not least, a twin panel moonroof up top so you can let in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111 or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.